All right, so for our last measure it's called the mid-range. So this table down here in the corner shows the 10 hottest cities in the US. Now, because temperature is constantly changing, you might wonder how the mean temperatures shown in the table are obtained. Well, first we need to find a representative daily temperature. Now, this is obtained by adding the lowest and the highest temperature for the day and then dividing by 2. Okay. And now, then after that, we take the representative daily temperatures for all 365 days, add them together, and then divide by 365. These are the mean temperatures that appear in 12.1 here. So this is the mean temperature, how we got those values. Now, the representative daily temperature is basically going to be the lowest daily temperature plus the highest daily temperature divided by 2. And therefore, that means the mid-range can be calculated by adding the lowest and the highest data values and then dividing that sum by 2. And so kind of as an equation, lowest plus highest divided by 2 gives us a mid-range. Again, just another measure of central tendency. So looking at our checkpoint here, using the data from this table over here, and we're looking at the worst places to be a woman. That's going to be over here from Chad all the way to Sierra Leone. And so what we're supposed to do is find the mid-range. Well, the mid-range is going to be what? Well, it said take the lowest plus the highest, so 0 plus 29 divided by 2. Well, that's going to be 4, that's going to be 14.5. So that's going to be our mid-range in this case. Okay. So again, all we did is we just took the lowest plus the highest and then we divided by 2. All right, so let's do one more where we tie it all together. We're going to find here the mean, we're going to find the median, we're going to find the mode, and we're going to find the mid-range for the number of calories in the meat hot dog for the 17 different brands. So in this case, N is equal to 17. All right, so first things first, what we can do is for the average, we're just going to take the sum of x divided by 17. So what we need to do then is we need to add all those numbers together. And so let's go to our calculator again. Let's clear everything out. So it looks like we have 173 plus, and then we have 191 plus, and we have 182 plus, 190 plus, 172 plus, 147 plus 146 plus 138 plus, then we have 175, and then 136, and then 179, and then 153, and then 107, and then 195, and then 135, and then 140, and then finally the 138. So that's 2697. Now remember, there was 17, so if we divide that by 17, that gives us our mean of 158.6. And I think they said they wanted it to the nearest tenth. So this gave us, we said, 2697 divided by 17, which was 158.6, and that's calories for each hot dog. Okay. So that's the mean. Now the median, well, for median, what we have to do is we have to put those in order. And so let's put those in order. So we have 107, then 135, then 136, 138, 138, 140, 146, 147, 153, 172, 173, 175, 179, and then 182, 190, 191, and 195. Now 17, that's 17 plus 1 over 2. That's 18 divided by 2. So that's going to be 9. So we just have to count in 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's going to be our median. So the median is 153 calories. Okay. All right, so the mode next. Okay, well, the mode is going to be the one that occurs most often. Well, when I was writing those, I saw we had 138 twice here, but I don't remember seeing anything else. So the mode in this case is 138 calories. Okay. And our final value, mid-range, well, that's just going to be our lowest, which is 107, plus our highest, which is 195, all divided by 2. And if we put that into our calculator, we have, let's put parentheses so we can just type it all in at once. 107 plus 195 divided by 2, and we get 151 as our solution to that one. So 151 calories as our mid-range. So these are all measures of central tendency from the mean of 158.6 to the median of 153 to the mode of 138 down to the mid-range of 151. Okay, so those are all the different measures of central tendency that you can calculate with all the different things we've looked at for this section. Hopefully that'll help you, and here's to another one on 12.3 soon.